Boy, I tell you, these last 72 hours, it's just been W after W, good news, breaking news. I mean, it's just crazy. President takes a bullet, gets up like a true patriot and tells us to keep fighting. Man, I tell you, they just dismissed the classified documents case. Oh boy. We just got our VP picked. The RNC is going on right now. And now we got to go back to Fulton County. Corrupt, Fulton, dirty, corrupt county. Throw the whole county away. We're not going to Georgia. We are not going to Georgia. Man. But we got some good news coming out of Fulton County, huh? We got that judge out of there. That fella has been removed. Man, didn't earn it. Didn't earn it. Judge Suge Knight, you're fired. Now all we waiting on is Big Fani G. Come on, Fani G. Hands behind your back, ma'am. Wait, matter of fact, can you tell us where's that mattress with all that money in there? Where's that mattress? We don't want your Grey Goose bottle. We want that mattress. That's what me and my patriots are looking for. That mattress. Where is that mattress at? Money all in the mattress. We got to go find it, y'all. We got to go find it, But this case here, man, I tell you, just throw the whole case away. It's just, just throw the whole thing away, man. It's innocent people still locked up under these corrupt. I mean, it's just Fulton County, just a complete circus, a complete show. Bunch of people that didn't earn it. In power. I mean, unbelievable, man. But this one's coming from my brother Nez, man. Y'all know Nez loves our channel. Shout out to my brother Nez, man. Professor Nez, baby. Shout out to Nez Nation. Salute to my brother, man. He does an amazing job, an amazing guy, man. Bless him and his family, and bless you all in your family as well. But let's jump into this update. Judge Glanville ordered out of the Young Thug YSL trial in Fani Willis, Fulton County. He is out of there, removed, gone, bye-bye. Matter of fact, give me your license card, buddy. It's time for you to give it. We got you. Give it to me. Get him going.
Glanville is out. He's done. Hasta la pasta. See ya. Wouldn't want to be ya. He's finished. Judge Rachel Krause, has just recused Judge Earl Glanville from the YSL RICO Young Thug case. It just came out literally minutes ago. I can't wait to go through this entire thing.
I tell you, man, it's I tell you, it's timing, man. Timing is everything. I tell y'all that, man. Timing is everything. Timing is everything. God works in mysterious ways. God is amazing. God is love, baby. And it's all coming together, man. It's just a lot of news hitting it out all at once. And I know a lot of y'all are still shaking up from what took place. Not even 72 hours. It's been 2 days, 2 days, man. And so much has happened in these last 48 hours, So much has happened in these last 48 hours. Boy.
And what this means, what is this impact does this have on the trial? Is the trial dismissed? Remember, Brian Steele asked for, in his motion, who is Young Thug's lawyer, he asked for a lot more than just recusal, right? He asked for the entire trial to be over with, asking for a mistrial. He also asked for the prosecutors to be tried and removed as well. So DA Fani Willis, Cash Money G, our girl, he asked for that whole entire prosecutorial team to be removed for judicial misconduct. I'm going to break that down right now with you guys, and let's do this. Holy macadamia nut. Let me know what you guys think in the comments of this amazing, amazing development. Let me make this a little bit bigger. Okay. So I've gone through the entire motion, as I always do for you guys. I'm on vacation, so I'm not actually at my studio, but you know, the news never stops, so I have a little bit of time to share this with you. So here's the breakdown of the order. The case involves multiple defendants, obviously, prosecuted by the Fulton County District Attorney, which is Fani Willis, for gang activity and associated crimes. Motions to recuse Judge Glanville were filed by DeMontre Kendrick, June 12, 2024, Caleb Bumpus, and Jeffrey Williams, a.k.a. Young Thug, June 17th, 2024. These are the key events leading to the actual motions that were filed. June 7th, Kenneth Copeland, a.k.a. Little Woody, a.k.a. What you mean? Huh? She fired. Oh. Probably my best impression yet, I think. Let me know in the comments. Kenneth Copeland, a state's witness, initially invoked his Fifth Amendment right, but later agreed to testify after being informed of the consequences by Judge Glanville. And then this was the biggie right here. This was actually the biggie right here. The biggie was on June 10th of 2024. Gosh, it seems like eons ago, but it really wasn't. An ex parte meeting occurred in Judge Glanville's chambers, that's Judge Suge Knight, involving State's Counsel Adrian Love, who is the Chief Deputy District Attorney's Office in Cash Money G's office, stand-in counsel Caleb Bumpus. Remember, John Melney was on vacation, and he was the one who defiantly said this shouldn't be happening, and then Brian Steele found out, probably from Melney. And Mr. Copeland, defense counsel, was not aware of this meeting, which is illegal, and this order confirms that. June 10th, 2024, Brian Steele objected to the ex parte meeting, leading to his contempt. Remember that? We did a video on that. Holy mackerel, was that huge? Leading to his contempt by Judge Glanville. And then he was actually arrested in a trial in case live on TV. It was absolutely the most dramatic thing I've seen in a case in ages, since maybe O.J. Simpson. Motions to recuse Judge Glanville were filed by Kendrick, Bumpus, and Williams, alleging improper and coercive behavior during the ex parte meeting. Motions to recuse are governed by Rule 25 of the Uniform Rules of the Superior Court, requiring timeliness, an affidavit stating specific facts of bias or prejudice, and judge temporarily ceasing to act on the merits of this case. The timeliness and legal sufficiency, Judge Glanville acknowledged the motions were timely and supported by affidavits. The substance of the ex parte meeting, although, this is really big right here, although the meeting could have been public, the court found nothing inherently proper. However, the conduct during and after the meeting, including holding Mr. Steele in contempt, created an appearance of bias. So, Judge Rachel Krause, in her motion to recuse Judge Suge Knight Glanville, cited these as being a real strong advocates for her argument, and this is how she's justifying her order. Public confidence. She also said this, which I think is really, this to me might even be bigger than that, which is she wanted to preserve the public's confidence in the judicial system. And she deemed Judge Glanville's recusal necessary to uphold that. I think that's really, really powerful, because this is why I think cameras should be allowed in every single courtroom. The public, in the name of transparency, should be allowed to understand, be aware, and have some sort of really a window peek into our system that really has power over all of us. I mean, I think that's how our framers would have wanted it, and that's how they pretty much instituted it in a lot of the language of the Constitution. So I don't know why the Supreme Court still to this day does not have cameras in the Supreme Court. I think that might change, especially after so much egregiousness and miscarriages of justice have been found through the aspect of having cameras in the courtroom. So we'll see. So the court orders they granted Kendrick's motion. Judge Glanville is recused. The motion to deny Bumpus's motion, which was mute since the show cause hearing was canceled. Judge Glanville is recused from further, this is the big one, further dealings of the case. And the clerk of court will reassign the case using standard procedure. So again, it is all over for Judge Suge Knight Glanville. It's a little bittersweet for me because yes, the judicial system actually has shown that it can actually execute justice. Holy mackerel, what a shock. But also, I thought Judge Glanville was such an interesting, humorous, powerful character with a lot of histrionics and dynamism to his character and his persona. There was just so much to talk about with this guy. I still to this day don't understand how this guy got to be a judge presiding over really big, high-profile cases. But then again, when you got Cash Money G as the district attorney, I mean, Fulton County is a hot mess. So that's the ruling. I'm going to tell you what happens next now, but let me know in the comments, what are your thoughts on this judge being recused? Okay, what happens next? Reassignment. The case will be reassigned to a new judge by the clerk of court. The new judge will review the case and potentially...
I know a lot of y'all in the comments and in our previous video says the new judge might not be any better. Throw the whole county away. We're not going on. We're not going. We're not stepping a foot in Georgia. I tell you that. Oh man, y'all crack me up in the comments. Hey, I'm going off my comment section now. I'm going off all the beautiful family members. My Keep Climbing family, man. Y'all are some amazing people. But hey, we keep it real, man. No sugarcoating it, man. No sugarcoating it. Throw the whole county away.
Schedule new hearings or trials. We still don't know who that new judge is. The implication for the defendants, the new judge's handling and decisions will influence the course of the trial, including any pretrial motions or procedural rulings. The decision to recuse Judge Glanville aims to restore public and legal community confidence in the impartiality of the judicial process. So now remember, how does this affect the trial's continuation? Remember, they asked for the trial to be deemed a mistrial and dismissed. So the trial is not dismissed. The recusal of Judge Glanville does not dismiss the trial. The trial will continue with a new judge. So there'll be a reassessment by the new judge. The new judge will review all motions, evidence, and prior rulings. This might lead to different rulings on certain aspects of the case. I mean, it still could potentially become a mistrial, but I don't think it will be, especially if I know Fulton County, like I know a lot of you guys know Fulton County because we've been covering this top to bottom, A to Z. Yeah. I don't think they're going to do it. He's going to rule this a mistrial. Nah. There will be potential delays. The reassignment could cause delays as the new judge familiarizes themselves with the case details. Immediate actions. The clerk court will reassign the case. It will be reviewed by a new judge as needed. So this is really interesting. This is extremely interesting. The defense teams may use the change in judge to revisit certain motions or strategies, particularly those previously ruled against by Judge Glanville. The prosecution will also need to adapt to the new judge's references and procedural style. So just a recap, what's going to happen next? The clerk of the court will reassign the case. The new judge will review the case file motions and evidence. There will be new hearings. The judge may schedule hearings to address any outstanding motions or procedural issues. It almost seems like that's warranted. The trial will continue. That's the big one. I've been getting so many DMs, so many messages on X. Follow me on X. It's down there in the ticket taper. I'm at Professor Nez everywhere, Truth Social, X, and Facebook, as well as YouTube. The trial will continue under the supervision of the new judge, with all previous rulings and evidence still in effect unless specifically revisited by the new judge. So that's really interesting. The timeline for the new... Now, when is this going to take place? A lot of people have been asking me this. So typically the reassignment happens promptly without any unnecessary delays. The exact timing can vary based on the court's current workload and administrative processes. However, there has been no specific timeline provided, and so there could be potential delays. While efforts are generally made to expedite, there might be a short period while the new judge reviews the case. And so once assigned, the new judge will need time, and the practical considerations here are to really stay informed and be prepared for the delays. So both the state and the prosecution is going to have to really be prepared to adjust to this. Okay, so that is what's going on right there. Holy macadamia nut, what a day. It's Monday, July 15th in the year of our Lord 2024, and I cannot believe how many things are dropping today with the classified documents case, this, and now Trump just announced his new VP, J.D. Vance.
Yep, it's been these last, I'm telling y'all, man, these last we're just going to say 72 hours, man, have just been, boy, you know. Boy, man. But we are on the road to a huge landslide, you know. But we've been covering Fulton County for quite a while now, you know. The same people that you know, yeah, same people that came after the president, same that are just not, don't know how to do their job, can't do their job, didn't earn it. That's what DI didn't earn it. I don't know why I gotta keep saying it. Just corrupt, man. You know, a bunch of people that need to be held accountable, disbarred. You know, for real. Throw the whole county away.
We got the Republican National Convention. Boy, I picked the wrong time to leave town, didn't I? As always, if you made it this far, don't forget, this is your best sure-proof way of ever.
Yes, indeed. Make sure y'all go check out my brother Nez, though, man. He loves our channel. We love him. So make sure if you haven't already, though, but make sure you go check him out. Link in the description box down below. And boy, a lot is happening very, very fast, man. Very, very fast. So much is going on right now. But we're going to keep you guys updated to everything that's happening from the inside, from the outside. You know, everything that is popping off. You know. But boy, a lot of big news, man. A lot of big news. I want to send you guys nothing but love. Prayers to all you guys and your family around these dark times, crazy times that we're living in. It's crazy what we're going through right now. And have been going through, you know. Dark times, y'all. Very, very dark. But we're going to make it through, man. We're going to make it through. The sun going to come out, baby. I know it might be raining, but the sun is going to come out. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. But hey, I love y'all. God bless all you and your family. I'm wishing the best in all you guys' life. Thank y'all for stopping by. And throw the whole county away. As y'all know, this has just been a complete embarrassment. And one of the reasons why a lot of people don't have any more faith in the system. Just a complete embarrassment, you know. People hiding stuff, going behind closed doors, you know. Just, and then they get caught, want to throw the lawyer want to throw him in jail. Salute to Brian Steele, man. True patriot in my books. It's just sick, man. What we've seen take place. And the people that have, you know, that just didn't earn it, man. That shouldn't have any power at all. You know. But hey, everything is falling into place. Everything is falling into place, man. And I told y'all the truth must shine in the light for the good and for the bad. Simple as that. But hey, I love y'all. God bless all you and your families. I will catch y'all on the next one, man. Peace and love, y'all.